Now, after understanding the concept of angle of elevation and angle of depression, I would like to explain you how we will use angle of elevation, depression to solve the problems of heights and distances. A very easy example I am taking. Suppose a pole of height 100 meter. This is the 100 meter of high pole. Now this height is 100 meter, and then we will observe that from a point A, suppose BC is the pole, its height is how much? 100 meter. And from the ground there is a point A from where it is observed that the angle of elevation of the top of the pole is 30 degree. I am repeating, a person standing on the position A observes that the angle of elevation of the top of a pole BC, whose base is B and top is C, of height 100 meter is 30 degree. Find the distance between point A and B, or find the distance from the point of observation to the what? This base. So how we will solve? We have discussed the trigonometric ratios, complementary angles, trigonometric tables, angle of elevation, angle of depression. All required informations you must gather. Now suppose if I assume that this value of AB is x meters, it is x meters. To find this value AB, that is the distance of the base of the pole from the point of observation, under the condition of the height of the pole 100 meter and angle of elevation of the top. Why it is angle of elevation? Clear? Angle of elevation because we are on the lower zone and our object which is to be observed on the higher side. We have triangle, in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, we have BC is 100 meter. AB we would like to calculate, and we have assumed it is x meter, which we will calculate, which we will find, and angle BAC, that is angle of elevation, is given 30 degree. The angle of elevation of the top of the pole from a point A. So 100 meter is the perpendicular, x meter is the base. So which trigonometric ratio we will use? Tan theta or cot theta. Now question raised, why? The reason is very simple, because perpendicular is given, base is required, so we have to use only that where base and perpendicular are used. So tan theta is equals to perpendicular upon base. Here theta is how much? 30 degree. Perpendicular is how much? 100 meter. Base we need to extract. So this become tan 30 degree is equals to perpendicular 100 base x. From trigonometric table we can use tan 30 degree is 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 is equals to 100 upon x. Now if we cross multiply this to find the value of x, we get the answer x is equals to 100 root 3 meters. Hence we can find the distance of the base of the pole from the point of observation under the given condition. If they may ask you what is the length AC, that is also possible by using the sin 30 degree, because in this case when AC is required to be calculated, we will use hypotenuse and perpendicular. Hypotenuse and perpendicular are applied in case of the sine and cosec. So by using sine we can also calculate AC. Now we will tell you that some more difficult problems of the heights and distances where elevation and depressions are given under given conditions. I am taking now an interesting example. Suppose there is a vertical tree with height 15 meter. AB. A is the top of the tree and B is the base or bottom of the tree. Because of the wind, this tree is broken by any point in between, not exactly from the mid, any point C, and the broken part AC is touching the ground, and making an angle of 60 degree with the ground. This point is D. There must be one thing very clear, that this CD and AC are the equal, because tree is broken by the wind at the point C, and broken part AC is coming in the shape CD, touching the ground at a point D, making an angle of 60 degree. Then question is, from what height, that is height of the point C, from the ground the tree is broken. I am repeating you the situation of the question. A 15-meter high tree, AB, A is its top, B is the base. Because of the wind, it is broken from some height, and suppose that location is C, and broken part is touching the base at the point D, and now this broken part is making an angle of 60 degree with the base. From what height, that is BC, is how much? From where tree is broken. We must be clear that AB is equal to 15 meter. Let us suppose tree is broken at a point C. Let BC is equals to X meters. Now if AB complete is 15 meters, BC is X meter, so what is coming out to be AC? AC is equals to 15 minus X meters. AC is equals to 15 minus X meters. Now AC is 15 minus X, I can write here. Now the angle BDC is how much? 60 degree. We would like to calculate X, or we can ask you that what is the CD? 15 minus X. So ultimately key value is how to calculate the X. To find X, here we are observing the perpendicular is X, the hypotenuse is 15 minus X, perpendicular, that is the X, hypotenuse 15 minus X. Perpendicular and hypotenuse are used in sine or cosec. So we have to take care 2-3 things: A, figure, or the situation of the problem.